Hello everyone. Are you getting random stutters or FPS drops in Fortnite? In this video, I'll show you some settings that can help make Fortnite smoother on an AMD graphics card. Let's get started. First, open Fortnite. Go to Settings. Open the Video settings. Set window mode to full screen. Set your resolution to your monitor's native resolution. Now set your frame rate limit based on your monitor's refresh rate. For example, if your monitor is 165 Hz, set it to 165 FPS. Next, check your rendering mode. Since we're using an AMD graphics card, try DirectX 12 first. If you're still getting heavy stutters, you can also test performance mode. Now scroll down to the graphics settings. Set the unnecessary graphics options to low. You can keep view distance higher if you want. Now apply the settings. There's one important thing to know. With DirectX 12, Fortnite may need time to build its shader cache. Because of this, you may notice some stutters when you first play. The stuttering can improve as you continue playing. So don't judge the settings immediately. Play a few matches and check the performance. Also, make sure your AMD graphics driver is updated. And don't disable your network adapter to fix FPS stutters. That can disconnect your internet. After testing these settings, Fortnite should feel smoother if the stuttering was caused by graphics settings or shader compilation. If you're still having problems, leave your AMD GPU, CPU, and RAM in the comments. I'll try my best to help. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Guidify. Thanks for watching.